I'm Kevin.
And I'm Stacy.
We have been doing DIY projects together for as long as we can remember.
We love the challenge.
An accomplished feeling of a successful DIY project.
And it helps us save money.
So we can spend it on adventures. Our rescue wagon is our custom 5x8 Jeep camper that we take to go off-road.
We're constantly doing new things in it and finding ways to make it more functional and improve its overall use. The rescue wagon has a really great countertop space, but it's really open and it's not very conducive to storing anything on it. So I want us to build some shelves in the cone and also a charging station, because that's another thing that would make it really more functional inside.
Okay, we've decided to put a new shelf in the nose cone of the rescue wagon. So first thing I did is got some, I made a little template, took some straight pieces of cardboard, laid them where they intersected in the center, brought it out as far as I needed it, taped it, marked some little areas that I've got to notch out on the plywood after I get it together. There's some little seams in there that will mess up your angles if you don't account for them. So I've got it drawn out here on my plywood, and I'm going to cut that and then double check it, make sure it's going to fit, and then we will build a little lip section to be able to hold things on both top and bottom, and then we'll get it in there, we'll get it painted white, and we'll be able to do good stuff. Okay, so I've cut my piece out, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to notch out the little pieces for the seams that are on the inside, so I can check the fit and make sure that it's correct. I'm going to lay it in there first just to be sure that I'm kind of making sure that I'm on the right path here before I notch those out, make sure I got my angles correct, but then I'm going to notch those out and double check it. After double checking the fit, we added a lip to the top and to the bottom, and then we also used angle brackets to screw in on the side to hold the shelf in place.
So my shelves are completed. I have one shelf on the top and one on the bottom, which just makes good use of the nose cone. But I am most excited about my charging station. I hate cords all over the place. So we purchased these cell phone holders from Amazon and got some double-sided sticky tape, heavy-duty sticky tape, to secure them onto the metal walls of the cargo conversion camper. We also purchased the multi-outlet and the iWatch charger and secured that onto the wall with the sticky tape as well. So we now have a charging station that has two little spots for cell phones, for the iWatch, and we have some extra plugins and no cords everywhere. It's fantastic. Success. This allows us to be free. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. You can also follow us on Instagram at BeFreeBensonDIY and check out our adventures on our YouTube channel, Be Free Benson Adventure.